Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reset Dell Docking Station WD22TB4 Easy Reset and Troubleshooting Guide. Step 1. The Hard Reset Protocol. If your dock is failing to supply power, dropping connections, or freezing, clear its internal memory cache by fully draining the capacitors. First, disconnect your laptop from the dock, then unplug the dock's AC power adapter from the wall outlet, and remove the DC power cord from the back of the dock. Then wait for at least 90 seconds. This step is critical because the dock's internal service controllers have large capacitors. Once done, press and hold the power button on the dock for 30 seconds to completely drain any residual power. Then reconnect the AC power adapter to the dock and wait for about 30 seconds. The LED on the power button should flash 3 times to show it passed self-test, then settle on a steady light. Once done, reconnect the dock to your laptop. Step 2. Update firmware and drivers. As outdated firmware often cause video dropouts or USB-C communication failures. So go to the Dell Drivers and Downloads portal and there enter your dock's service tag. Then download and install the latest firmware update utility. And make sure your laptop's Thunderbolt and USB-C drivers are completely up to date. Step 3. Check BIOS/UEFI settings. Restart your computer and press the F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS. Inside BIOS, verify that Thunderbolt boot support is enabled and set the fast boot option to thorough or auto. And if the issue still persists, locate the Load Defaults button to reset your BIOS to its factory state. Step 4. Troubleshoot peripherals and display. First, bypass the dock by connecting the accessory directly into the laptop. And if it works, the dock's port might be faulty or require a driver update. Then ensure you are not repeatedly plugging and unplugging the docking cable in rapid succession under 10 seconds, as this can cause the laptop to momentarily fail to recognize the device. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.